Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered if you could hack your own body? Not like a computer, but in a way that could make you healthier, stronger, or even smarter? That's the basic idea behind biohacking. It's a fascinating world where people are taking control of their own biology, and it's getting more exciting every day. Now, you might be thinking, Bill, hacking my body sounds a little intense. And you're right. Some aspects of biohacking are definitely out there. But the core idea is actually pretty simple. It's all about making changes to your lifestyle and using technology to optimize your health. Think about it this way. You wouldn't leave your computer's operating system outdated, would you? So why not give your own body the same level of attention? Biohacking is all about upgrading your system, one step at a time. Are you ready to explore this new frontier with me? Let's dive in. So, what exactly counts as biohacking? Well, it can be as straightforward as making small but significant changes to your daily routine. You know, the basics. Getting enough sleep is a great example. Think of sleep like recharging your phone. You wouldn't expect your phone to work properly without a full charge, right? Your body is the same way. Getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night can make a world of difference in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Next up, food. We all know that eating healthy is important, but biohackers take it to a whole new level. They're all about experimenting with different diets and incorporating nutrient-rich foods or superfoods into their meals. We're talking things like blueberries packed with antioxidants, salmon swimming with omega-3s, and leafy greens full of vitamins and minerals. By fine-tuning their diets, biohackers aim to fuel their bodies for peak performance. These are just a couple of examples of how biohacking can start with simple changes. But hold on to your hats, because we're about to explore some even more futuristic applications. Now, let's crank things up a notch. While some biohackers are content with tweaking their lifestyles, others are pushing the boundaries of human capability with cutting-edge technology. We're talking about things like implants and even genetic editing. Implants might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but they're becoming increasingly common in the biohacking world. Imagine having a tiny chip implanted in your hand that allows you to unlock your front door or pay for your groceries with a wave. That's the reality for some biohackers. Then there's genetic editing, which is where things get really interesting and a little controversial. Using techniques like CRISPR, scientists can now actually edit our DNA, potentially correcting genetic defects and even enhancing certain traits. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is some powerful stuff. And you're absolutely right. While these technologies hold incredible promise for treating diseases and improving human health, they also raise ethical questions that we need to address carefully. We'll delve into those a bit later. But first, let's meet the people behind the biohacking movement. Biohackers come from all walks of life, but they share a common desire to take control of their own biology. Within this diverse community, you'll find two main types of biohackers: lifestyle biohackers and grinders. Lifestyle biohackers are all about optimizing their health and well-being through natural means. They're the folks who are super into their sleep, nutrition, exercise, and mindfulness practices. They might experiment with different diets, track their sleep patterns with wearable technology, or practice meditation to improve their focus. Grinders, on the other hand, are the tech-savvy tinkerers of the biohacking world. They're all about using technology, often in DIY fashion, to augment their bodies and minds. Think implants, sensors, and even custom-built devices. They're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, often blurring the lines between human and machine. While these two groups might seem worlds apart, they're both united by a passion for self-improvement and a desire to unlock the full potential of the human body. And speaking of pushing boundaries, let's talk about the rise of DIY biology.